Ujjain, the Avanti or Ujjaini of bygone times, the city of the acclaimed bard Kalidas, is hailed as the city fallen from heaven, so that there may be a heaven on earth. Mythology says that Ujjain has been sanctified by drops of nectar from the Amrit Kalash during the churning of the great ocean Kshir Sagar. The event, commemorated once in 12 years as the festival of Simhast, offers the magnificent and awesome spectacle of bathing rituals in the holy Kshipra river. Ujjain abounds in temples with varied traditions attached to them. Lord Shiv, according to Shaiv thought, is the creator and destroyer. Shiv, symbolized as the Mahakaleshwar, in all its serene magnificence and eternal splendor, pristinely rules here. The Mahakaleshwar temple, with its soaring and majestic shikhars, evokes reverence. The Jyotirlingam at Mahakal is believed to be deriving Shakti from itself. The idol of Mahakaleshwar is uniquely placed, facing south, unlike the other 12 Jyotirlingams across the country. Gopal Mandir, constructed by Queen Bayaja Bai Shinde, is beautifully inlaid with marble and silver-plated doors. The ancient Bhartrihari caves, just above the banks of the Kshipra, resound immortal poems of recluse King Bhartrihari. His famous works like Nitishatak and Vairagya Shatak saw the light of day in the darkness of these caves only. The Garkalika temple is replete with tales of poet Kalidasa's devotion to goddess Kalika. Legend goes that it is through his devotion to Mother Kalika that he acquired great literary skills. Ujjain, India's Greenwich, has a unique significance for fortune tellers. The Tropic of Cancer is supposed to pass through Ujjain. It is also the first meridian of the longitude of Hindu geographers. Jantar Mantar, built by Raja Jai Singh, is an active center for astronomical studies. Indore is the main railhead. 55 kilometers from Ujjain is the bustling and vibrant city of Indore. Nestled between the rivers Saraswati and Khan, Indore was built by Holkar Queen Ahilyabai. The Lal Bagh Palace enchants with its breathtaking collection of artifacts and furniture. The tastefully done decor appeals to the eye. The chandeliers and soft lights create nostalgia. The Chhatris are a solemn memorial of the Holkars. People come in hordes to pay their obeisance. Better known as Mini Mumbai, Indore presents the industrialized and modern face of Madhya Pradesh. As evening descends, the city springs to life with its mouth-watering chaats and kulfis against the perfect backdrop of colored fountains. The city is well connected to Bhopal by road, rail and air. Perhaps older than history and older than legend, the traditionality of Ujjain complements the modern face of Indore, making a wonderful amalgamation of the old and the new. The eternity of Ujjain and the vigor of Indore enamors visitors for a long time.